Here we are at DIA 2009. I'm talking with Mollie Shields-Uehling of SAFE BioPharma, and she's going to tell us a little bit about SAFE BioPharma.
SAFE BioPharma Association operates the digital signature and identity standard that was established by all the major pharmaceutical companies in order to transform the business from complex, costly paper-based processes to fully electronic. And the purpose for this transformation is so that we can save money, improve efficiencies, increase productivity, and reduce cycle time. And also, it's more auditable, and it allows searchable databases. So we are the digital identity and signature standard for the industry. They are implementing. All of our member companies have major implementations underway. And now we're moving out into the broader community with external partners.
And how many members do you have so far?
We have 17 members, essentially a who's who of big pharma, as well as members like Snap Diagnostics, which is a small sleep apnea diagnostics company in which doctors are using it with the diagnostics product.
And Snap is one of your newest members under your new cost structure.
That's absolutely correct. The industry, as I mentioned, is now heavily engaged in SAFE projects, and many of them sponsor their external partners. But the whole purpose of a digital identity standard for the industry is interoperability. And it's very important that the full landscape of stakeholders has a single digital identity that is interoperable with others in the industry. And so for that reason, our members have introduced a new small entity membership for companies of 2,000 employees or less.
Okay. And tell me about your vendor partners, some of them.
Yes, our vendor partners represent the technology and applications communities and services communities. And they essentially help provide products and applications to members in order to implement digital signature projects. So, for example, Adobe. LiveCycle is a document management system which makes it easy to use digital signatures. Adobe Acrobat and Reader are both SAFE enables and SAFE certified, so it makes it much easier to use them, and also gives our members confidence that they meet their requirements.
Who are some of the other vendor partners?
Other vendor partners include ARX, include Microsoft.
So some pretty big names.
Yes, absolutely.
And those folks have had to go through some type of approval process to become vendors?
They not necessarily an approval process as much as they have to have products that service the industry.
Okay.
They have to work with us to market to members. Most of them have certified their products. So, for example, Excismo has a digital signing pad that is SAFE certified. MXI, again, has a three-factor signature capability with a biometric that is SAFE certified.
Okay. And how long has SAFE BioPharma been around?
SAFE BioPharma is about to have its 4th anniversary.
Oh, okay. So still relatively new organization.
Yes.
Are you finding that a lot of folks still don't know about you, or what is your...
We're finding that certainly the major pharmaceutical companies know about us,
okay.
And we are now beginning to penetrate the medium and smaller size companies as well. So yes, for example, the clinical research community, CROs and others, are vaguely aware of SAFE, but again, this new small entity membership is designed to bring them on board and to make them more aware.
But the value to them is the same as it is to a large pharma, right?
Absolutely. Right now, clinical trials and other applications or other parts of the pharmaceutical business are heavily paper-based.
Right.
That means you have to FedEx, you have to DHL, you have to copy, you have to read toners, you have to have people sign, and then you have to assemble it all, store it in multiple places. If you have an audit by the FDA, you have to pull it all back together. Extremely complicated, not searchable in terms of the research. So it brings benefits to all parties within the biopharmaceutical space.